What's going on, guys? New day, new vibe. It might rain now again. Anyways, how you doing today? Hope y'all doing well. Today's video, we're gonna go right down to the location where the Integra blew up back in 2015. Figured I'd do a cool little, before and after 5 years of being down. Spent a lot of Integra content on my social media. It's just great to have the car back. This car was all for me. So it started everything for me. So just nice to enjoy it again. I still love this car. Evo was fine. Just needs to put in the radiator and needs a clutch rebuild. That's on standby until I get this thing little kinks worked out first. So yeah, we're gonna head down to the west side of Jacksonville. Well, not really the west side, but it's towards the west side. But we're gonna check out the spot where the car took its final resting spot the night all this chaos went down. If you don't know, I had the B18 B1 motor. This is the stock LS. I want to say we're doing 120. Before all that happened, that same day I checked the oil level, it was at minimum. So I said, hey, cool, it's not a fast car. It shouldn't burn that much oil in a day. And that's what happened. That same night, I was flooring it over the bridge. It kept shutting off. Well, not, it just dying off pretty much. And then check the oil. It was bone dry. The header was glowing red. That tells you how badly south that went. And then, yeah. I tried to make it back home. I tried. It died over the bridge and just coasted down to this little parking spot or whatever it is. So figure why not head there and go down memory lane, right? But she's on the road. She's on the road now, in better condition, better form. So let's get to it, guys. Wait, do I need gas again? I just put in gas last night, but I forgot where I was. No, we're good. I'm turning the key on, but it tells you already. Yeah, I'm good. I got gas. E85 is not bad in this car, and it's cheap. It's like $1.07 here. So bro, I put the camera in the headrest of the stock Integra seat. It's the perfect fitment. The camera is snug. It's a better view angle. See you guys on the phone, of course. The GoPro app. It's a great app. But yeah, let's head to this destination. And the heater works. Taking my headphones, play some music. Yes, my window will get fixed, I promise. real quick, y'all. Be right back. So it is 12, almost 1 o'clock. It's 12:37. I grabbed me a cold Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee French vanilla. Hey man, I know it's late for some coffee, but it's fire, bro. Like, come on, man. It's fire. All right, back to the hop on this highway. I have enough gas to make it there and back, I hope. There's 85 right here, but that should be alright. Back to my tunes. Made it. Found a resting place. My car blew up. Well, it blew up going to the meet, but it found a resting spot was right here. Wow. But 5 years later, there it is. The car really coasted. That's the highway. It really coasted And stopped right here. Oh, this is so unreal. So unreal. So unreal. It's like mixed emotions. Mixed emotions. The first motor I blew up, the first motor I put together with some friends of the K series. Let me get this hood up. There it is. This is the spot, guys. This is where Vince blew up his first Integra. Oh man. Dog, this is an amazing feeling. Like, all the money I spent, not even the money I spent, the fact that this car, I let it sit for 5 years, just didn't care about it anymore. Found out what it costs to go K-swap. You need to go K-swap. I couldn't afford it, so I let it sit. You know, thankful and blessed for everybody in my life that's helped me along the way. This is a really great feeling for me, knowing that I achieved my goal. So, next video I do, I'm going to do the how much did it cost me to go K series. So for this video, I'm just going to do a chill one. You know, drive around, cruising, just enjoying the moment. But I can say going K series, it's not expensive, but it can be expensive depending on which route you decide to take to go K series. So yeah, man, I know the car isn't in great condition, but it's going to get there eventually. So yes sir, this is the final resting area. The car took its last coast and stopped right here. Now she is back and better than ever. Better than ever. Got a few kinks to work out. Looks like the radiator has small leaks and stuff, so sometimes the temp gauge spikes back and forth, but something that we can fix, no big deal. Bigger intake and fuel pump is gonna be next, then get tuned. Hoping to make 240 or 245. That should be good enough. Alright, so as I was saying, guys, let me adjust this camera just a little bit. So the next video I do will be the cost of going K series. So let's head back to my side of town, back to the beach area, and see what we can get into.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're in the Evo now. I was driving the Integra and it just shut off on me. It'll start, but won't hold idle. Stevie came by, we're thinking either it's a sensor issue or check the K-Pro, of course. But in the meantime, I'm going back to the car where it's parked and wait on the tow truck to arrive. So I'm in the Evo again. Good old trusty Evo on a bad clutch, cranked up one time, ready to ride. That's why I love you. But yeah guys, it's been a long night and I'm tired, but back to the car we go. Just arrived. There's the Integra. Like I said, man, just driving, just normal cruising. It just shut off on me. It cranks back up, but it shuts right back off, so I'm not gonna deal with it right now. I'm just highly annoyed. So we're gonna need the tow truck to arrive. We're supposed to call Austin. He wanted to come and hang out until the day arrives. So I'm gonna give him a call now, actually. Ugh, where's my phone? Where's my phone, man? Where's my phone? I'm always losing shit. I just had it. It's in my hand. Okay. Right back, guys. My brother only Evo pulled up. Yeah, okay? Yeah, we're good. Thank you, buddy. Sure. Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. You got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, got the friends here. We from the roll this thing. All right. What a night. tired. Waiting in like 2 to 3 hours for a tow truck. No one came, so it's our last resort. Let it roll back to the parking spot right there, and I
was just going to park it. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
The hill's cool too. They ain't gonna give a shit.
All right, the Integra is back at home. Got JT the ruler.
Skipple the flipper.
Trying to do the serpentine belt. We put the old one back on because this one is a smaller size, so it's fighting us. And I be at the doctor's at a certain time, so we'll get back to that. The issue we're having was the map sensor took a shit on us, so. But we all good now, back on the road, so. We all good. What the hell? All right. Oh, my bad. So this video will continue until I get back from the doctors on that Austin shit. You call it, bro, the new beam beam?
No.
Yo.
Oh, no, it's not beam beam. It's a beam.
It's a beam. I'll say beam beam.
Beam beam is quad, nigga.
Paint look good for the year
Green
though.
bean. Bro, you should make this shit. You should rap it.
Paint look good.
It's not even the green bean.
Bro, look on camera, bro. Look on camera. Look on
That's
camera.
really hard.
Look on camera, bro.
That be crispy. That be finna look good on pictures.
That ain't bad, bro. What year is this?
Straight.
What year is this?
03.
03.
Straight for a 17.
Real
You
talk.
are not allowed to put down your vlog.
Best chips ever made, bro. On me. Hot Cheetos, bro. Classic. Can't be beat. Damn.
Hot fries be hitting.
Hot fries spot too. What you eating,
Hot
nigga?
fries is the original, bro.
What you eat, bro? Takis?
I've never had tacos.
There it is. They straight. But I want to try you, bro.
Bro, you were trying.
No, I think, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you were telling me I look like the type of nigga that eats some tacos.
Taki slide, bro.
You want to talk to a nigga that look like that, bro?
You're right, bro.
You can talk to Dash.
I tried my
That
nigga,
nigga
bro.
love tacos.
Takis, bro. Alright, guys. Just left Austin's house. Getting some fresh E85. I'm gonna call it a night, man. It is cold as hell. It's like 36 degrees or 42 degrees. One of the two. But in night hand, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Know the whole drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next video, guys. Peace.